Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are already on the go because today is a very excited day. I'm getting my nails done. Look at this, girl, it's time. It's been time, clearly. So I'm kind of excited. You guys know I love getting my nails done. It's my me time, so I'm out here. But we have a long day and I'm going to take you along with me as usual. So I hope you're ready. Let's go. And there we go, just like that. We're looking a lot better. Love a nice white set. That's not originally what I wanted. I'll put a picture on the screen of what I wanted. Homegirl was like, it's gonna be an extra 20 bucks. $20? One thing about me is I'm not gonna pay a whole lot of money if I don't have to pay a whole lot of money. I can draw the damn lines myself. Anyways, we are done. I think I'm gonna have to go back home because I forgot my tripod. So I'm going back home to get my tripod, and I also have to get something to eat. It is 12:30, and then create my content. I also have a bridal shower to go to later, so I'm gonna do that. Potentially squeeze by HomeSense before I go back home, and then we'll be home. So I still have such a long day. But I'm out here. Listen, I don't go out often, so when I do go out, I'm a little excited. All right, change of plans. I am actually just gonna get ready to go to the bridal shower because it starts at 2 and it is 1:32. So I'm already late. Let's be honest, okay? I'm not even gonna try to pretend I'm gonna be on time. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my hair. So my hair is a twist out that I did yesterday, and just look, I don't know if you can tell, but she looks really good in person. She is a little flaky, but if you can get over the flakes and get into that definition, a video is actually going to be on my channel. If it's up, it will be like somewhere on the screen. All right, so I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna do my skincare, I'm gonna get dressed. Oh, I'm actually quite excited because I honestly don't do that no more. The content that I wanted to film was actually around my self-care box partnership with IMONatural. I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow because I'm running out of time. But everything smells so good in here. I am going to use some of these products actually. I will be using the soap to shower, as well as we'll use the scrub tonight. That's what we're gonna do. And we'll moisturize using the hair and body cream as well as the oil. And when I'm doing that, I'll be back and I'll show y'all, okay? So let me go shower and BRB. So we are done showering. It's 1:49. I hate being late. That's why I'm keeping track of the time like that. But I'm sure no one else is going to be there on time. Who goes to a bridal shower on time? I put my hair in this bonnet because I didn't want my hair to get wet. All of the products that I'm using, you already know, will be linked down below. And you know what? I should probably hurry up. Just to make me feel better, I should hurry up. I still have to do my makeup. Girl. All right, actually, I am just about to put on my sunscreen, and I wanted to show you the one that I've been using because it's so good. It's that good, okay? This is Unseen by Supergoop. This is what it looks like. Do not get it confused with Glow Screen, and they have a few other ones that I haven't tried, but Glow Screen was a little too glowy. Did leave just a tad of a cast, but look at this, okay? First of all, I'm gonna use a good amount. All right, so you don't think I'm cheating the system. Rub that in my hand. Rub that in my face. Yes, white cast. Where we literally have not seen her, okay? This is how good and clear this sunscreen goes on, you guys. It's crazy. Never seen anything like this. And I've used quite a bit of sunscreens in my old age. It also leaves me just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit matte. Tiny bit, but you know, give me a few hours and the oils will peep through. That's fine. It's not meant to mattify you, but it's really good. So I just got dressed and it is time to do my makeup. And typically I go and sit down and do my makeup, you know, trying to look all cute, but we ain't got time, baby. We are running late, so I'm going to quickly do it while I'm over here. And everything that I use, like I said, will be down below. I feel like when I'm rushing like that in the vlogs, it gives you guys anxiety. So don't be anxious, girl. Let me just fast forward through this so that I don't make y'all anxious for no reason. It's going to be okay. Alright, boom, boom, girl. I think my makeup turned out so pretty. It doesn't always work out, but when it does work out, it looks good. Love that for me today. My hair, twist out, as I mentioned earlier. Twist out was done yesterday. She is flaky, but we're just gonna pretend that we don't see the flakes. Shape it a little bit. One side is bigger than the other. It's just one side is more defined because I use two different products. We're just gonna mess around with it a little bit. Oh, it's already 2:18. I'm gonna be a whole hour late. Let me wrap up. Put on some extra body cream because you can never have enough body cream, okay? Oh, put it all over you, girl. And she smells so good. I'll show you guys the shoes that I'm wearing. I'm choosing Violence. It's been so long since I've worn heels and I'm going all out today. It's crazy. This is the outfit. This top is from Shein. She is actually super cute. Very like easy breezy summer. You know what I mean? Jeans are from Zara. And I'm gonna show you the shoes. Girl, where am I going? I don't know. But if we're gonna go out, we're gonna go all out. Wow. Wow, I believe these are from Steve Madden. Yes, so I'm gonna wear these. I'll carry these back with me to kind of keep it like, I don't know, I feel like I'm going for summer/fall vibe all in one video. It makes no sense. Here we are. Is it too much? You have to tell me, girl. It's a lot. It's a lot, but they're so nice. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So basically this is the outfit. Right? The bag, maybe the bag. I'm not feeling the bag too much, but I don't have time to change. I'm gonna leave it. I think it's cool. Plus makeup is beat. Hair is looking really good minus the flakes. We're good, let's go. Oh yeah, and then sunglasses. Girl, where am I going? I don't know. So I just got to the place. I am so antisocial, you guys. This pandemic has made me so antisocial. I don't talk to anybody. I stay home. What do I say? What do I do? It makes me anxious. Anybody else like this? Okay, those are the glasses that I'm gonna wear. They're already dirty though. Aren't they so cute? Glasses by Zillow. See if I can put you down. Oh, that's such a bad angle for you. Oh, I'm sorry, girl. I am an hour late. It's okay. It's okay. So we made it out in one piece. You know, social interaction is not so bad. I am about to go to HomeSense, so yeah, let's do that, and then we'll go home and we'll, I don't know, chill. I'm kind of hungry though, so I'm thinking of picking something up, but I also want to eat something healthy, you know? The struggle of trying to be healthy in 2021. All right, so we made it to HomeSense. One of the reasons why I want to go, you guys, I didn't even tell you why I'm here. I want to change things up at home. I'm bored of what it looks like. I want to elevate the space, and we also need paintings. The walls are bare. So this is why I'm here. I want to get a few things to get things looking cute again, and people are looking at me funny, so this is called quality content, baby. Anyways, yeah, that's why we're here. Hi. Oh, this is, oh. This is cute. You guys know I have a ton of plants and I could use some planters. I don't know, is it a little tacky? What do we think? I feel like I'll work at home because my house is so light. Oh, I think I may get this. $24. I kind of like this. Doesn't that remind you of the Forever Mood design? a little bit. Ooh. You guys know I'm a huge sucker for productivity stuff. Do I need another planner though? That is the question. I could get a toy for QB. Okay, I think I may get this for her. We don't have much green at home. We do. We have a ton of plants, but I don't mind this. What do we think of this? I feel like I have the space for it too. Oh, she cute. She said, I'm playing with you brands. That's what she said. I like her. Oh, look. Black girl magic. I think this will look well in my office. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this. Alright, so I found something cute. Look, isn't she so cute? She's from a black artist, obviously. Dominic Brown, that's who. I think it will look super cute in my office. You know, natural hair. About her business, if you know what I mean. It's very me, and I can start getting pieces around this that's going to work with my office, right? I think that will look good. What do you think? If I don't like it, I can always return it. So I think these are super cute too, but I don't know if I should get it. I don't know. It's kind of big. Where am I going to put it? I need help when it comes to interior decorating, you guys. Trying to piece this together with my house. I don't know how it meshes, and I don't want to get something just to get it, you know? Whatever. We're leaving her behind. The things that I do to create content for you guys. You know what I realized I need? I need a car mount so I can talk to you guys at a good angle. I am going to take off my shoes, y'all, because, oh, girl, I've been walking in these heels all day for no reason. No one cares, but here I am, 6-inch heels, breaking my ankles. Thank God I brought some flats. Yes, great thinking there, Jen. Great thinking ahead. All right, so I think I'm just gonna go to the store, to the grocery store now, to pick up some food, because I guess I should make dinner, huh? It's 7 o'clock, and I'm kind of hungry. And I'm sure Bay's hungry, so let's go get groceries. I don't know what I should make tonight though. Probably something easy like pizza and a salad, you know, something that says I tried, but I don't want to try too hard. Hello, hello baby girl. Oh, come here. Oh, the love. Oh, I used to say that I would be that person that doesn't kiss their dog, and look at me. Look at me. You taking away my makeup, girl. But look at that face. She's just so happy to say, okay. Oh my God, I missed you too, baby girl. The love that a puppy will give you is unmatched. Okay, unmatched. If you're feeling lonely, get a puppy. Looks like we like the toy. Huh? It looks like we like it. Right? So I almost burnt the house down. I didn't realize this was in the oven, and I turned it on, and oh my God, that was so hard. Anyway, let me make myself food. Oh girl, doesn't that look good? Doesn't that just look amazing? Yes, yes, yes. Get into it. Says, I'm gonna be living large or eating large today. Let's dive in. At this point, I think it's probably time to wrap things up, right? I'm starving. I don't even know what I ate today. What did I have today? It's junk. I ate a bunch of junk. But I'm excited to eat and wind down for the evening. I think I told you guys I was gonna show you me using the... Alright, so my battery died on my camera, but I just want to wrap up the vlog. I think I told you I was gonna show you me using the self-care box tonight, but girl, I'm tired, okay? I just want to chill. I just want to watch TV and call it a night. Tomorrow, I'll come back and we'll do self-care, and we'll also talk about interior decorating, we need to talk. I need help. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I was on HomeSense and I'm looking at the items and so many things look cute, right? But if I don't have a plan, I just feel like I'm just gonna get random things and it's not gonna go with the flow, the energy that I want with the space. And if any of you guys know or just have a passion for it, let me know. Suggest a few things. Like I told you guys, look, I'll show you. So it's a little dark, but all of my walls are, well, except for this, but most of my walls are bare. I don't have much. I also have like a few things up here. I want to put something here. I also need to fix this whole area. I feel like the table is a little small, but whatever. We also had the dog's playground here, which is why we moved everything to the side. We're trying to like train her to just be okay with the crate. So that's creating some space. And yeah, I just want to update things, you know? I also don't love this bookshelf situation anymore. And this too, so I kind of want to take these out and swap them for something even cuter, but whatever. All of that to say, have a good night. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.